This video is for internal training purpose only. The future does not belong to those who wait, it belongs to those who prepare. Today, India's insurance industry is standing at a defining moment. While the global insurance penetration is over 7%, India's penetration is still around 3.7%, almost half of the global average. What does this mean? It means a massive opportunity. India is already among the top 10 insurance markets globally and is projected to be one of the fastest growing insurance markets in the world, with expected growth of 6 to 7% annually in the coming years. But what makes this opportunity even more powerful is the vision driving it forward. The Government of India has set a bold and ambitious goal: insurance for all by 2047. A vision where every Indian household is financially protected. And to make this vision a reality, the IRDAI is actively transforming the ecosystem through multiple initiatives. Bima Sugam, a unified digital marketplace; Bima Vahak, strengthening rural distribution; and Bima Vista, affordable solutions for the masses. It's a complete transformation. Behind this lies a powerful reality: millions of lives yet to be insured, a huge protection gap, and a growing demand for highly skilled insurance professionals. Because the future of insurance is not just about selling policies, it is about building expertise. The industry today needs skilled underwriters to assess risk intelligently and qualified actuaries to design sustainable products, strategic risk managers to navigate uncertainty, and knowledgeable investment and finance experts to manage large funds, tech-driven IT professionals to power digital transformation, and customer-focused sales and marketing professionals to expand reach, and efficient operations managers to ensure seamless execution. In short, the insurance industry is evolving from a sales-driven industry to a knowledge-driven profession. And this is where the Insurance Institute of India plays a critical role. 3 is not just a certification body. It is a globally respected institution that builds technical expertise, professional credibility, and industry-ready capability. Whether it is licentiate, associate, or fellowship, each level deepens your understanding of insurance, making you future-ready. Each level covers risk, underwriting, claims, finance, investment, law, IT, distribution, marketing, and regulations, making you future-ready. And importantly, these qualifications are recognized not just in India, but globally. At SBI Life, we strongly believe when our people grow, our organization grows stronger. That is why we actively encourage every employee to pursue professional excellence through the THRIVE qualifications under our Mission III initiative. We have developed customized content for 11 technical papers, including structured training programs, summaries, mock exams, and virtual learning support. To support your learning journey, SBI Life offers attractive incentives: licentiate 15,000, associate 25,000, and fellowship 35,000 rupees. Furthermore, the third qualifications are now linked to promotion evaluation from April 2026, up to 8 marks for associate or fellowship. From April 2027, up to 10 marks for fellowship. Because this is not just an exam, it is an investment in your career, a step towards becoming an industry expert, and a pathway to long-term growth and recognition. Enroll for the Insurance Institute of India examinations today. Remember, your degree gets you the job, but continuous learning builds your career. The industry is growing, opportunities are expanding. The only question is, are you ready to grow with it? Thank you for watching. This video is for internal training purpose only.